The Christmas tree.
My head.
Okay, so yes, this is not gonna be a long video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle and I'm a Jamaican woman living in Switzerland, and today I'm going to do what women do, and I'm going to decorate the Christmas tree. David and I are going to decorate the Christmas tree because I'm a woman. I'm becoming a woman. David, do you want... Okay, and also I am the gift, the Christmas tree gift to you, and David will be the... David will be the Christmas tree. No, just kidding. We're really going to decorate the Christmas tree. You're happy if you can't show that teeth. Anyways, so as you remember, we went to buy the Christmas tree the other day, and that's a Christmas tree it's still the same day. It's still the same day, and yes, but a different video. So this is the Christmas tree stand. Hannah, what do you call this in German? Oh, David, turn off your music. Jeez. Right, so I had to check some music background. So this is the Christmas tree stand, and in German it is called, Hannah? Christbaumständer. Oh my god. Anyways, so because it's a real Christmas tree, I'm gonna put water in it, and we use this to check if we need to tap it up or if we need to not really change the water, but yeah, if it needs water. And so yes, we're going to be putting up the Christmas tree and also decorating it. And for this video particularly is to decorate your Christmas tree, is to kind of show you how to decorate your Christmas tree strategically so you don't spend a heap of money buying fandangles and running yourself dry. So when I go to the store to buy stuff for the Christmas tree or to buy stuff for Christmas, there's so many things. There are so many things, and if you're not careful, you just go on a tangent and spend all your money to put on this one tree. So I have figured out a way to make it cheap and easy, and I'm going to show you that little strategy today. Alright, stick around if you want to see how to decorate your Christmas tree. Not free, but very affordable. See you soon. Guys, we have the tree and it's on the floor. Let me show you. That's the tree. Ah! That's the tree. So now, David and I are going to set it up, and we don't know what to say. We're just going to show you how we set it up. Okay, enjoy.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Okay guys, so here's the strategy. I have these. I have these in 3 sizes, the decorative balls. 3 sizes. And plenty of light and a star. I've never done this before. I've decorated the tree before, but not with so much light. So, and the tree is bigger than I expected, but I love it. It's nice. It's full. It's very full. So let's see how effective my strategy is. If it doesn't work, this video is just to show you how to decorate the Christmas tree, or how I decorated my Christmas tree. Alright.
Oh, bring us a figgy pudding. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding. And a cup of...
Guys, do you think it looks good?
Here, David. Manage up them and put
Die
them on.
Monarchen Europas. Man liebt
Ball
sie
time.
oder hasst sie.
Oh, you did a double
Lassen
close?
sie niemanden, vor allem nicht ihre Untertanen. Denn Monarchien
We never
sind
closed one
teuer.
like that.
Eine aktuelle Untersuchung hat nüchtern verglichen, wie viel die Königshäuser
Oh my
kosten.
God.
Die Übersicht zeigt,
Turn off your
mit
light,
Abstand
turn
am
off your light.
teuersten ist das Vereinigte Königreich. Der Staat bezahlt im Königshaus
We never closed them like
50
this.
Millionen Franken, gefolgt
David,
von
how
den
you close
Niederländern
them?
mit
We want to close them that are tight, but we
und
never
den
close them.
Norwegern mit 29 Millionen.
So what do you mean by it and close them?
So we have to.
Christ. What a little boy clumsy man. Put on your sitting there.
He said clumsy boy.
Niedergeht. Also jene Personen, die Verpflichtungen wahrnehmen,
What am I doing?
bei Eröffnung
We're not fast food.
Organisationen.
Oh, you end up going over there and mash up your sitting.
Aktive Mitglieder, die bei Firmen
So it doesn't have a loop? The ones that you did don't have this?
Es gibt Berichte, dass die
Wait, where one them where you do that?
um die Steuerlast der Briten zu reduzieren.
What do you mean by that?
Prinzessin Anne hofft wohl noch eine Weile weiterzuarbeiten.
We never do.
Sie ist europaweit
So oh, you expect them to go up on the tree?
We tied them up now again.
Look what this little boy do, God. People, tell me now. Tell me about that pitney. Look, we're supposed to do this to put them on the tree. The little boy. Chow.
Go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a happy New Year.
Woo! We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your King. Good times, you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
We messed up the
After
song.
all the work, guys, so this is how you make your Christmas tree very colorful and lively and bright without spending a lot of money. we didn't have enough lights. But yeah,
I have the lights in my room.
we present to you our Christmas tree. Voila! It's so beautiful. Here we are, here we are. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much for helping us decorating the Christmas tree. And as you can see, I have no clue about decorating Christmas trees. And David, my assistant, I want to thank you so much for being so helpful and for destroying all the. Look, we still have some things left because David didn't tie them well. But yeah, I don't know what he was thinking about. But anyways, thank you for your support, David. And Hannah, thank you for looking on. Okay guys, ciao. We're gonna enjoy our Christmas tree today. It smells so good. It smells so good. So a cup of tea or a glass of wine or both and enjoy the Christmas tree. Bye guys.